Have you ever felt like your day just slips away, and no matter how hard you try, you never get everything done? What if I told you that there's a way to take back control of your time, get more done, and feel unstoppable every day? Stay with me because, by the end of this video, you'll walk away with powerful productivity hacks that can transform your life. And trust me, I know how it feels to struggle with time. I was stuck in the same cycle. But I found a way out, and I'm going to share it with you. Not long ago, I was drowning in unfinished tasks. My to-do list was endless, and I constantly felt overwhelmed. I would wake up with the best intentions, but by the end of the day, I'd barely scratched the surface. I was exhausted, but unproductive. It was like running on a treadmill. I was moving, but I wasn't getting anywhere. Then one day, after yet another chaotic week, I had a wake-up call. I realized that successful people, those who were achieving their dreams, weren't working harder, they were working smarter. So I started researching, testing, and refining different productivity techniques. That's when I discovered time blocking, and it changed everything. My energy shifted, my results skyrocketed, and for the first time I felt in control of my life. Now I want to help you do the same. So, what is time blocking? It's a simple yet powerful technique where you schedule specific time slots for different tasks instead of working off a never-ending to-do list. Instead of saying, "I'll work on this when I have time," you say, "From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., I'm doing this." You literally assign time to the most important parts of your day. Types of time blocking techniques. 1. Task batching. Group similar tasks together and schedule specific time blocks to complete them, minimizing context switching and saving time and mental energy. For example, instead of constantly checking emails throughout the day, dedicate a specific block of time for email processing. 2. Time blocking. Block off chunks of time for specific activities, like workouts, deep work, or meetings, rather than scheduling individual tasks. For example, I will write every day from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 3. Day theming. Assign a specific theme to each day to enhance focus and reduce decision fatigue. For example, every Monday, I will focus on content creation. Every Tuesday, I will focus on content promotion. Every Wednesday, I will focus on research and ideation, etc. This creates a consistent work pattern while allowing flexibility for urgent tasks. 4. Time boxing. Similar to time blocking, but with a key difference. You limit the amount of time for a task, e.g., I will finish my blog post between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. tomorrow, instead of setting aside time without a fixed limit. For example, I will write 1,000 words between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. tomorrow. Why time blocking works. Here's why time blocking is a game changer. First, it eliminates decision fatigue. You don't waste energy deciding what to do next. Your plan is already set. Second, it increases focus. When you give full attention to one task at a time, you get it done faster and better. Third, it stops procrastination. Knowing you have a set time to complete something pushes you to take action. Fourth, it reduces overwhelm. Instead of seeing a giant list, you see a structured plan that feels manageable. And here's the best part. It works for everyone, whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or a busy parent. How to start time blocking. All right, let's get into action. Here's how you can implement time blocking starting today. 1. Identify your priorities. Make a list of the most important things you need to get done. What actually moves the needle? 2. Create time blocks. Assign specific hours to different tasks. Morning for deep work, afternoon for meetings, evening for personal time. 3. Use a digital or physical planner. Google Calendar, Notion, or a simple notebook. Just make sure you stick to it. I personally use Goals on Track, an incredible productivity tool designed to help you set and track your goals effectively. Check the link in the description. 4. Set alarms or timers. This keeps you accountable and prevents distractions. 5. Protect your time. Say no to unnecessary interruptions. Treat your time blocks like unmissable appointments. Imagine waking up knowing exactly what to do and finishing the day with real progress. Feels amazing, right? The key to mastering focus. Cal Newport, in his book Deep Work, talks about how true success comes from the ability to focus deeply without distractions. He explains that the modern world is full of interruptions that keep us from doing meaningful work. This is why time blocking is so powerful. It forces you to carve out distraction-free zones where you can truly engage in deep work. Think of it like this. Every time you switch tasks, it's like stopping a train and starting it again. It takes energy. But if you stay focused, you gain momentum and produce your best work in less time. So when you time block, make sure to create deep work sessions where you turn off notifications and get into the zone. Your future self will thank you. And if you want to dive deeper into this concept, I highly recommend grabbing a copy of Deep Work. I've linked it in the description. How to build strong routines. James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, teaches us that small, consistent habits lead to massive results. When you start time blocking, think of it as a habit you're building. The key? Make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. The 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. Write down your time blocks where you can see them. Make it attractive. Reward yourself when you complete them. Make it easy. Start with small blocks and build up. Make it satisfying. Track your progress and celebrate wins. The more you stick to your blocks, the more they become second nature, just like brushing your teeth. Eventually, productivity won't be something you force. It will be who you are. If you want to truly master habits that make success inevitable, check out Atomic Habits. I've included a link in the description. Planning your days and weeks ahead might feel like you're spending time you could use to get things done. However, without a plan, distractions can easily take over. By deciding in advance what you'll focus on each day or week, you save both time and mental energy, making it easier to dive into work when it's time. Try time blocking and task batching for a week and see how it helps you take back control of your time and focus. Now I want you to take action. Don't just listen, apply what you've learned. Here's your challenge. 1. Right now, take 5 minutes to create your first time block schedule for tomorrow. 2. Drop a comment below with, "I'm in," if you're committing to this. 3. Check out my recommended tools like Goals on Track in the description for more structured goal setting. 4. Grab your copies of Deep Work and Atomic Habits. I've linked them below so you can dive deeper into mastering productivity. 5. Subscribe and hit the bell icon because I have more life-changing productivity tips coming your way. Success isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about making the most of your time. Let's start now. I'll see you in the next video.